Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be doing an edge control video slash product review. I just got this product a couple days ago and I've been using it to see how, if it flakes and all that stuff, but I'll show you the results. So the first things I have are toothbrush, comb, and then a handheld mirror because like my mirror is like all the way over there, it's too far away. So handheld mirror to help me look. And then I have this product, and I've seen a lot of like reviews on it, like on Instagram, and I love the video, so I was like, let me buy it, let me try it. And yeah, and it's also, she's the creator of the rub challenge, so yeah, so I wanted to give it a try. So I'm really heavy-handed sometimes with my putting edge control on, so I'm gonna try not to be today. So I just take a little, oops, I didn't mean a middle finger, you guys, but just a little, and put it on there. And then I'm gonna just brush it down and swoop. So yeah, just swoop. And I play with this for a minute to make sure it looks right. But this looks good. I just want to add a little more at the top because it looks like it's kind of flake. I mean, not flaking, but it's my tiny baby hairs didn't get enough. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, it looks really good. Okay, and then I do my sideburn. I shave my sideburns down because I don't like having sideburns. But I'm gonna do this as much as I can. Okay. And I just have the comb if necessary. Sometimes I don't have to use it. Like this edge control is really good. So I can just mold it with this toothbrush. Oh, and by the way, this is a firm toothbrush. It's not like a medium or soft ones. I hate soft and medium toothbrushes, like for brushing my teeth and for doing my edges. Like I like the firm toothbrushes because they really help you sculpt. Sculpt your edges. Alright, so I'm gonna do the top now, but I'm just gonna brush it down. Put some edge control. I gotta look. See what I'm doing here. Okay. I'm gonna keep some for the other side, but also take it off. Okay. Now I gotta use the comb because I don't know where my hair is going. So I'm gonna take some of this off and just swoop this up to the top. There we go. gonna put some of this back in. It's not needed. Put a little bit here. And then I'm going to slick this side down too. If you hear my dogs, please ignore them. So I'm gonna slick. And I've been using this edge control for a couple of days and I absolutely love it. It's so easy to use and create my edges with. Because my edges look different all the time. Like, I don't make them the same way all the time. Because that's just how it turns out. But this is the finished product. Sometimes I add more, but that's just my personal preference. I just like them to look super, super, super duper sleek all the time. So sometimes I might add more, but most of the time I don't have to. Like usually I only add more like after I work out or just being outside for a long time. Like I just like to refresh. But yeah, so this is the finished result. Check out her brand. I really love this edge control. This is the 8 ounce, by the way, too. So, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on for more videos to come. Thank you.